Once upon a time in the vibrant kingdom of Lucille High in the sunny island of Jamaica, there lived a kind and wise prince named Giffy. Giffy was beloved by his people not just for his benevolence, but for the 4 remarkable daughters he cherished deeply, Even, Charmaine, Christine, and Melody. Even was the eldest, known for her fiery thoughts and adventurous spirit. She often dreamed of exploring far-off lands and bringing back tales of wonder. Charmaine, the second daughter, was a graceful dancer whose movements could enchant anyone who watched. She filled the castle with joy through her performances. Christine, the third, was a gifted artist, often found painting the breathtaking landscapes of their Jamaican kingdom. And then there was Melody, the youngest, whose voice could soothe even the fiercest storms. One sunny morning, Giffy called his daughters to the grand courtyard. "My dear daughters," he said, "I wish for you to help me prepare for the annual festival of lights that brings our kingdom together." Even suggested they create a map of Lucille High to guide the guests to all the festivities. Charmaine envisioned a grand performance to open the festival, showcasing the talents of everyone in the kingdom. Christine proposed a mural depicting the history of Lucille High, telling its story through vibrant colors. Meanwhile, Melody dreamed of composing a song that would echo throughout the celebrations. Together, the 4 sisters combined their ideas, each contributing their unique gifts. Even gathered volunteers to help with decorations. Charmaine choreographed a breathtaking dance, Christine painted a magnificent mural, and Melody wrote a heartwarming song. As the festival approached, laughter and creativity filled the air. On the day of the festival, the kingdom sparkled with lights. Even's map guided everyone, Charmaine's dance captivated the crowd, Christine's mural told the tales of the past, and Melody's song lifted spirits high. Prince Giffy watched with pride as his daughters shone brilliantly, their talents weaving together the heart of Lucille High. As night fell, the sky lit up with fireworks, and the kingdom rejoiced in unity and joy, knowing that it was not just the prince but also his extraordinary daughters who had brought them together. And from that day on, Even, Charmaine, Christine, and Melody became legends of the kingdom, proving that love and collaboration could create magic beyond measure.